Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Miss Sheerin, and today we're starting a new series about kitchen vocabulary. Let's go. In this video, we'll learn some important words you need for cooking and baking, like tools and cooking methods. Get ready to pick some helpful kitchen terms. Let's begin. Appliance. A machine or device used for household tasks. Stove. A cooking appliance with heating elements or gas burners. Oven. A kitchen appliance used for baking or roasting food. Microwave. A kitchen appliance that uses electromagnetic waves to cook or heat food. Refrigerator. A household appliance used for storing food at low temperatures. Freezer. A large container in which temperature is kept below freezing point so that you can store food inside for long periods. Dishwasher. A machine used for washing dishes and utensils. Sink. A basin with a faucet used for washing dishes and hands. Countertop. A flat surface in a kitchen used for preparing food. Cabinets. Cupboards with shelves or drawers for storing kitchen utensils and cookware. In the end, I hope you learned some new words to enhance your cooking and baking skills. Remember to practice using these terms in your own kitchen to build confidence and proficiency. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more educational content. Happy cooking! Bye!